Investors and traders, welcome to the channel Market Chart Pattern. Today we'll be taking a look at the major US stock market indices. This video is for educational purposes only and it is not a financial advice. We are taking a look at the daily chart of S&P 500 E-mini futures. What we have been following in this market is we had a target of 4150 based on this ABCD described in this red lines. That target was met, and we have had a correction in the marketplace, uh, which also took form of an ABCD. Let me try drawing it for you. Just one second. So to see it properly, we need to go back to a lower time frame chart, which for the purpose of this video I'm not going to do. It wasn't a perfect ABCD because the market did go lower. However, in the previous video we had discussed a level which was 4050. 4050 was the 38.2% Fibonacci retracement of this entire leg higher from this low to this high, and also it was a confluence level coming nearby around 4030, which was the 50% retracement of this leg high. And what the market did on the 10th of February, which is last Friday, it came right very close to in about 10 points range of the 38.2% Fibonacci retracement, and it formed a doji candle in which there was a fight between the bulls and the bears. However, the candle did close green, which means that the bulls did win, although it was a quite a fight. And today we have had a follow through in which the price had taken the highs of last Friday, and it is a good looking candle, and it appears that we'll have a follow through in the next few trading days as well. However, this week is a key week because we have some CPI data coming in, and that could have good impact on the market. So we have this big structure ABCD, which is a one-to-one projection in the blue um, lines drawn here, which actually takes us to around 4450 level. We do have some timing work coming in next week from 17th of from actually this week 17th of February and going into 23rd of February, and we should also look at um, another few targets on the upside, which could perhaps provide some sort of resistance. So what I've done here is I've done an expansion of this recent leg. It appears that the correction might actually be over, um, and assuming that it is, then we could have a target of about 4250 to 4300. This could be a resistance zone, which could, depending on the price action, we will have to see how strong the resistance it could pose. Okay, so let me just type that here. So this is what we are watching in the S&P 500. For this to happen, obviously the support at the 38.2% Fibonacci retracement needs to hold, and given that, shorter term we are looking at 4250, around about 4250 to 4300 as the next possible area for resistance. And of course this 4300 will also have a double top with the structure coming in here. Okay, so let's take a look at Dow Jones. Dow Jones we like to take a look at in cash terms. So what we can see here is that we were waiting for the ABCD formation, which is one-to-one projection, to take us to somewhere around 34,700 on the Dow Jones cash. we had discussed this wedge formation, and now it is just testing the upper boundary, and it looks like there is a possibility that this ABCD formation will finally could take place. Let's go back to the futures. Here it's a similar kind of pattern, and we are looking for an ABCD completion, which will take us around 34,700 to around 34,800 level, much like the cash market. Okay, let's take a look at the Russell. Actually, let's take a look at the NQs. All right, so the NQs, what they had done was they had formed this bigger ABCD in blue, and in fact the price action was quite strong, and it had closed higher. So we were looking for the price to perhaps reach between 13,060, 13,070 to 13,275, which is the region between the 78.6% Fibonacci retracement to this 1.618 expansion. And here, let's quickly draw the Fibonacci retracement levels from this swing. And what we can see is that 38.2% retracement came in around 12,316 from this swing. And last Friday the market closed right around that level, and today the market actually tested the bottom or the lower range of last Friday, and it closed higher, and it took the highs of last Friday out as well. So that's a quite nice positive price action. So here again, just like the S&P 500, let's take a quick look. And what we are looking at is, yeah, so we have further confluence levels of this expansion coming in between 13,070 to 13,275. In fact, there is one a little bit higher, about 100 points higher, but ballpark figure, that's what we are looking at in terms of where the price could actually move to in the NQs. So let's take a look at the small cap, the Russell 2000. Okay, so in the Russell 2000, the patterns are quite clear actually, and what we can see is we had a really nice, beautiful ABCD pattern right till to the pretty much to the top tick here, and we had a smaller one ABCD which took us to, yeah, exactly to the top tick, pretty much there. And then we have had a nice pullback. The pullback is right into the 38.2% Fibonacci retracement of this entire CD leg here, and also it coincides with the structural support here, which once was resistance. We can see that here, double top formation, and now it seems to have turned into support. So resistance turned into support. Was resistance going up, but correcting down, it has formed a floor or a support. Now, what we will do is just like to get further targets, given that this 38.2% Fibonacci retracement level will hold, we'll just draw the expansion levels, and the two levels we are going to take a look at are the roughly about 2050, and above that we have 2090. There is also another ABCD pattern coming in from sorry, that is the 1.618 expansion level. For now, I'm just going to remove that, and what we are looking at is as the possible resistance zone. So let me just write that. Okay. Okay, so this is what we are watching in the major US stock market indices. If you like our analysis and how we look at the markets, and we'll take a look at the pattern formations with key Fibonacci retracements, and our favorite, the ABCD one-to-one projection. Some like to call it ABC, it's a one-to-one projection actually. Then please do subscribe to the channel, If you like the video, then please do hit the like button. That way I know that people actually like the video, and it just encourages me to make more videos and bring those out for you guys for educational purposes. And also, if you're interested to know when the new videos are posted, then please do smash that bell icon button. That's the way you'll know when the new videos get posted. And if you really enjoyed and got information for educational purposes from this video, then please do subscribe to the channel. That really means a lot to me. So thank you very much for watching the video. Good luck and good trading.